If you're looking for cordless vacuum cleaner, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Black+decker cordless vacuum cleaner. Number 1, most popular, by Black+decker. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Black+decker. Number 3. For more details about these Black+decker products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Black+decker. Find these cordless vacuum cleaner at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more cordless vacuum cleaner ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.